All right, we are back, and I got the plates on, bolted on. Still, everything is in a hole, ready to be recovered. Let's walk outside, and yeah, as you can see, got the plate on out here, bolted on. Still, everything's ready to be recovered. I'm gonna take the jack off and see what we've got. I didn't install the angle down here at this pier. That's one of the poles or posts for the barn at the corner. I was thinking of putting a piece of angle and bolting it to the wood, but not to the foundation or the wall, so it can move and be free, but still hold the wall next time. Anyway, in the meantime, in between time, peace.